Hello everyone. Right now I'm just sending messages and preparing everything before we go fully live, okay? It's a quick link. It's a quick thing. So what I need is... Welcome everyone, by the way. I have a lot of tabs open, Jesus. I need to start clean this up. Jesus. It starts getting overwhelming. Okay. So what we need now, we need this. I think this is fine. If we have questions, yeah, we have this. Okay, perfect. If anyone pops up, I'm just finishing up one thing. Let's go. Just a quick announcement. I'm gonna forward this message to the Phantasma chain. I don't care. Okay. So I shouldn't do this, but from time to time, I think it's fine. It's fine. Let me move this out of the way. Let me move this here. I don't know why Discord is appearing on the last one, but yeah. Okay, let me put this in here. Okay, and this will go alongside it. So like this. And we'll have everything ready. Yeah. It's nice, we have everything. We have the chat stream. Let me pop this up. I think the scale of this one is way too big. Sorry, it's getting there. We are getting there. Okay. Done. Okay, we do this. And we can do this. Ah, way better. Way better. I like to see statistics. Just a moment, please. Okay. Perfect. So, let's go. Let's switch to the stream. No one entered yet, so hello! I think I need to close my window because it's creating a lot of brightness in my back, and yeah, see, it's weird. But I'll do that later. Okay. Let's do something. Last stream we were in the middle of something. I forgot what it is. But we should go go into it right away because it's causing issues. Oh yeah, sometimes I think I am intelligent because I left it that way, so I needed to fix the issue. Nice, I like it. So sometimes I can impress myself. I think the music is too loud, even for you guys, so let me... Hopefully it's better. Yeah, I hope that it's better. Ooh, an update. Okay, let's first update the package manager because we want everything to be updated. We want to have the latest version of everything. In project, so we have a phenomenal performance in terms of coding. One of the streams that I will do later down the line is coding a Godot game. Even if it's a simple one, I want to code a full Godot game because I want to learn Godot. I am learning Rust. I know that no one is here yet, but I am learning Rust at the moment, and oh, it's really nice. It's really nice. I really am enjoying learning a new language. So yeah, nice. Okay. Mobile notifications. I know that I don't use it, but I like to get everything up to date, everything into a good place. I don't know. I really need to learn about Twitch because sometimes, like, I really would love to, for example, shows. Stream together, no. No, crowd control, no. Yeah, I really would love to have something to manage easier, or easily, whatever. Because yeah, bitrate is too high. I don't understand why. Okay, anyway, let's go. I think every package is updated right now. Let's start doing fun things, okay? Let's do this. Okay, it's getting the data. Okay, perfect. So what's the problem? On enable, we need to update the game player overlay. Game manager does not contain the definition of gameplay time and no accessible extension of gameplay time. Accepting the first argument of the... Okay, I think we were creating the single player stuff. That's my bet, and we needed to implement everything, and we were doing that regarding the player overlay, the player shoot. I know that I did not add any method, right? So I need to basically implement that. I will copy from the multiplayer part of things because it's already implemented and it was well implemented, at least for my liking. And I know you shouldn't have multiple code doing the same thing, but yeah, there's no problem with that. At least that's my opinion. So let's go. Perfect. Okay, so on ammo change, update counters. I need, for example, the player shoot. What methods does it have? It has the add ammo, I think I will only have this one. Yeah, it's had ammo. I will need the number of bullets, of course. Bullet speed, shoot, yeah. Like almost everything here, I will need it. I'll delete what I don't need. I don't need this. The number of bullets, it's an int. It's not a network variable. No need for that. And it will be equal 0. And yeah. I know this is hackable, but honestly, yeah. Okay. We have add ammo, we have the shoot mechanic. I'm not sure how I will do it regarding the shoot on single player. Because yeah, you can have a lot of things, and okay, let's go. No one entered yet, but hopefully someone will. Player shoot, we are just copying this and should server RPC. Yeah, I'm sure. We will copy the update method because why not? Okay. We don't need is local player because it's local player. We need the game manager. Single player manager. Yeah, it's not the single player manager. I think it's the game manager. Yeah. Game paused. Is game paused. Is game paused. It should have been a method, but game manager dot is playing game. Is gameplay. I think it's is gameplay. Is gameplay. Yeah, is gameplay. I'll do something like that as well. Public pool is gameplay. I think I will see how I handle it. Yeah. Yeah, actually, this is kind of better. I know I implemented it with game states, which honestly, public, private, game state. I don't know why I did not implement the first way around with game states, but I think right now I'm since I'm refactoring, this is the wisest choice. And I don't think I have like the events, all the events handled. See, so what I will do, okay, first the player should, if it's less than, just remove it. Game manager instance is game ended. I think I will add all of the functions. Public void is game ended. Oh, sorry, bull. Is game playing. Public bull is game playing. We'll do something like return. Okay, we'll do the states basically. So we can basically use is game paused. I think I will do the same. Public pool is game paused. I know that the game paused state is not the same because yeah, the game paused is the same, but the playing, yeah. Okay. I know that I implemented this the correct way. So this dot game state equals game pause. Sorry. Playing. Okay. End game. Hello, welcome to the stream. We are improving the overall feel of the game. I know that we need to do this because we are lacking this game paused, player shoot. Yeah, the player shoot. He shoots over our PC. You just call the shoot mechanic. Number of bullets. Yeah. I don't know why I reduced twice. But yeah, just one time. Perfect. Player overlay, gameplay time. I think it should have an handler. Sorry. An handler for the gameplay time. Header. Game details. It should. Public. Not public, private. It's not a game state. I will do like is no int no. What I mean, it's a float. Game play time, something like that. That you can query on the multiplayer game manager. I know that we have a playtime. Max game time. Yeah, see, we have it. Something like this. We just remove the network stuff and it will work because yeah. Okay, perfect. So we'll create this. Okay. Nice. And then on game playing time change the update timer. Did I sorry. Did I create something like that? Really? Maybe it's on the update or something. Gameplay time on value change. I subscribed. Handle game states. Yeah. Welcome to the stream. Hello. states. Let's copy out. Basically, the countdown timer. Handle gameplay. I like it. Oh. I'm gonna add the countdown timer, but I will add it later. But I will have the code here already. So player count, on map selected, countdown timer, countdown start, countdown. Hello again, welcome to the stream.
A-185 Gaming says, hello again.
Hello, welcome to the stream. Yeah. Well,
A-185 Gaming says, I tried your game on the mobile version, it's actually hard lol.
Thank you. Thank you for the feedback, actually. So I really appreciate it. I know it's hard, that's why I'm improving the game to be like polished. So it's not, it doesn't make the game easier, but it makes the game cleaner. And if the game is cleaner, maybe it will become not easier to play, but pleasing to play. That's the feeling I'm trying to achieve. I really want to achieve the pleasing thing on the end user. Welcome, really welcome to the stream. So nice. Game manager. Oh, do you know that we have a Discord channel? I think I have on the stream description. But if you want to join as well, feel free. On player health change on effect captured. Yeah, I need to. I'm just cleaning up code. I'm trying to make it cleaner, better. So I'm sorry. Countdown start.
A-185 Gaming says, I don't see the Discord link.
Oh, okay. So I'll send you. I really thought that the Discord link was in the stream, but how can I access that? Let me. 1 second. I'll send you the link. If you want to join, feel free.
TechDev says, link.
Yeah. Okay, countdown starts. I'll create the public cleanup method that it will run every start.
A-185 Gaming says, just joined.
Welcome. Thank you for coming in and joining the game. Waiting to start. Countdown timer equals 5. So I'll add a variable. Sorry. Private const float count. To start, it's 5. So when we do the cleanup, yeah, I don't need it. Okay, perfect. Okay. This needs to be triggered when I think it's on the wake. Yeah. Trigger this when entering the game. It's true, no, it's false. Okay. Let's go. Register player. Okay. So let's put this working first. Okay, let's clean up all of the issues, errors, and whatnot. Because I need it. Player movement, game manager. Do I really have an event for the time changing? I do. Noise. So I'll do that as well for the single player. And this is triggered where? On enable. This is just subscribes, and this is called on value change on gameplay time when the value changes. So what I will do, it's not clean, but what I can do is, yeah, it will be spamming events, but at least we'll get them. On player health change. So what's the problem here? It's player health. Okay, so we are not subscribing to player health, really?
A-185 Gaming says, oh yeah, I forgot to ask you something. Could you help me with my ops? A-185 Gaming says, I record but it doesn't pick my mic.
I record but it doesn't pick my mic. Are you using a MacBook? If you are using a MacBook to get it to read your microphone, it's actually...
A-185 Gaming says, my mic is enabled and it says it's recording.
But the bar, basically the bar, it's moving. Like
A-185 Gaming says,
okay.
I use Windows 10.
Wait. Let me show you something. Really? Okay, but do you have this bar moving? Do you have it? Okay.
A-185 gaming
So
says, yes, but the bar doesn't move. A-185
try
gaming
go to
says,
the
I have the
properties.
bar, but it don't move.
Okay, try going to the properties and selecting the correct microphone. Okay. It might. Oh my god. How the hell now I can. Jesus. Okay. And try doing that. Hopefully it will fix the issue. Yeah. No problem, no problem. You're welcome. Okay, so...
A-185 gaming says, OMG, it worked, Sim.
Nice. We are just fixing this. Let's see what's causing the issue. Make event player non-static. I think it's a static method and it doesn't need to be a static method. So yeah. The player effects, I don't think we have the code yet for it. So we'll need to go towards the multiplayer part of things. For example, here I need to know where it's being used. Okay. Let's go to the multiplayer part of things. Player effects. Okay, perfect. Nice. I'm just fixing all of the red things that appear because I want to be able to play the game. That's why. Okay. And there's another one. Is game paused. And game not playing. Because I know that I need is not paused. Game is not paused.
Safe the Dabergamin says, hello.
Hello, welcome. Welcome? Wait, where?
Safe the Dabergamin says, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm trying to see where are you sending messages from? Are you sending from okay the YouTube channel? But I think it lags a bit. No problem. Welcome to the stream. By the way, it's nice to have people connecting and chatting with us. So we are fixing where we left off on the last stream that we made. That's why we are just fixing things. The game is not paused and is playing. Yes.
A-185 gaming says, hey, could you make me verify? It doesn't let me verify my phone number in the Discord server. Safe the Dabergamin says, it'll be here for hours if the stream is entertaining.
Oh, thank you. Welcome to the stream. I'm stoked because I can't see your messages. I really can't see your messages. Maybe it's oh now I see it. I'm sorry. I wasn't able. I have two streams open at the same time. Welcome. Okay, I think it's fixed right now.
Safe the Dabergamin says, do you earn anything from development?
Right now, from the things that I do, like games and whatnot, no, not yet. Hopefully one day. But I have a day job. I have a day job. I work and then I do streams. Right now, I'm focusing on myself and on my company, and trying to live my life, living the dream. Like it's It is what it is. I'm trying to achieve my goal, so I know I changed a lot of code, and I know that maybe it will fail in a lot of places. Let's see.
Safe the Dapper coming says, do you want to work on the indie project?
Oh, I have indie projects to work on. This is one of them. I have another one that I want to work on. But what do you mean? Are you making a proposal? Just asking. Three, two, one, go. Okay, at least one of the parts of the gaming is working. Okay, we have a lot of issues. Overlay panel.
Safe the Dapper coming says, I'm asking you, I have a project just looking for anybody at all who can do it.
Right now I'm using Unity game engine.
Safe the Dapper coming says, what engine are you using?
Unity game engine. Yeah. I think I will use Unity script. Player has player sp play. Sorry, player. Player has overlay. I don't want to use the same things. Maybe I messed up this.
A-185 Gaming says, ONVM, I just verified my phone number, I can talk now, yay.
Nice, welcome. I'm sorry, I really want the server to be secure. I don't want bots to come and mess around. I really don't want that. Use Unity. I think I mentioned them. Save the Bear Gaming?
A-185 Gaming says, it's okay.
Yeah, it's just a safety measure. I really... I can't. It's a nice proposal.
Gaming says, so do you want to work on my project?
Maybe we can discuss that, but I don't know. Okay. I think I messed up this. Because this will be registering the player and the script was already there.
Safe the Dapper Gaming says, you will earn a split of the income.
No thank you then. No thank you. I really appreciate the proposal, but I have 3 games to publish by the end of the year. This is the first one. The next one will be Catacomb, and it's already like 80% done. But thank you for asking. Really appreciate it. I'll be coding around if you want to stick around and ask questions if you have any problems while coding, which is completely normal. As you can see, I have a bunch of errors, so it's a normal thing to have. Really appreciate for the opportunity, but right now I have a lot of things to do.
The Dapper Gaming says, it'll be RB.
I'll go. Be right back. Okay, see ya. I want to use different things because player has. Oh, I already had that. So no need for having this. Okay, but where is this? In terms of folder structure. Where's the namespace of this? Okay. This should be on the UI, first of all. Okay. So then this can go and okay. Better. Okay. Recalculate everything. We need a time text on the time text. We need effects collected. Email panel. Email panel. And the single player will be, if it doesn't have it, it will fetch it. Yeah. Non-player health changed. Yeah, I don't need this here. Game. Yeah, I don't. Okay, it's fine. So what I need next is trying it out. I know it won't work by the first thing, but we'll see. Errors, I like those. Effects collected panel. Ah, okay. I have this one. What about this one? Do I need to make a copy of this one? Maybe. UI. Effects UI. Single player. SP. The only thing that I need is SP player. Okay. This is one of the issues. I need to fix the UI. I really want to publish this version. Do you, a 185 gaming, do you want to play this version of the game? The one that I'm currently fixing? Fixing, not fixing, but improving. I wouldn't call it fixing.
A-185 Gaming says, okay, sure, I'll try it.
Okay. No, it's not updated yet. SP effects UI. But it will be. Effects list. Sorry. Okay, regarding this. Yeah, okay. Effects, UI element. Remove component. Yes. There you go. Well, once I have it, I will for sure publish an announcement on the Discord channel. Oh, nice! I don't have issues. Okay, perfect. It needs so much improvement. Jeez. Okay, let's see why it's happening on the UI. The overlay, it's there. Where's this? Where's the time? Maybe it's the canvas size. I don't think so, but maybe it's the UI. No, the canvas size it's fine. Yeah, the canvas size it's fine. Simulation is
A-185 Gaming says, do you know Lua coding?
Lua, I know a bit of Lua. Once I tried to create my own private server of Metin at the time. But I didn't code it a lot, just like quests and whatnot. But I can learn it. It's not... I don't think it's a... it's a scripting language. It's not a fully fledged language. It's just a language to put on top of like game engines to facilitate you to code some stuff. Yeah, sure, go ahead. You can for sure.
A-185 Gaming says, I want to learn Lua too. A-185 Gaming says, the game I play, Roblox, uses Lua.
Okay, so sure, go ahead. Don't waste any time. Try it. Really, I'm not joking. Try it. Try to learn it. It's fine. Like if I remember correctly, Lua. You can code in Lua. I know that I coded the Love to the game engine. I think it's the name of the engine. It's Lua based. If I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's Lua. It's love.
Safe the Dabber Gaming says, I'm back.
Hey, welcome back. See, A185 Gaming. See, the
Safe
love.
the Dabber Gaming says, and I'm going again.
Hello, Leonor. Welcome to the stream, my darling.
Safe the Dabber Gaming says, and then I'm coming back.
I'm going back. Okay, sure. A185 Gaming. Yeah, if you want to learn game development as well, like simple stuff, you can do it using Love2D. You can do a lot of things with Lua. You can code for Roblox, of course. You can code for this game engine. Yeah, the sky is the limit, honestly. So let's see why it's not showing up. For example, I don't understand why like the health bar is showing up, but this is not showing up. The time, I don't know why it's not being rendered. Maybe I need it to be, it's on the UI layer. Maybe I did something wrong. The game overlay, it's screen overlay. Screen overlay. I really don't understand why it's wrong. Like it's opened, it should be showing up the like the effects collected. Supposedly. It should be working. I'm not understanding why it's not showing up the UI. Because the UI it's here and you are showing the overlay, it's using the full thing. Like, and if you focus on it, yeah, for example, the timer it's here. The scale is like big. The scale is huge. So, where's the text? Where's the text? Weird. Really weird. I'll try multiplayers just to check if everything is working as intended. Yeah, the text is here, like things are working. See? Things are working. Oh, maybe since I have it already open, it's trying to load stuff that it's supposedly not supposed to be initialized, maybe. Like, oh, I see. Maybe what's happening is this is okay, but this is, yeah, okay. Just scale it's at 0. Jesus, that's why. So let's fix it. Basically, we're trying to see those things, okay? The UI, and like, okay, if the scale is at 0, it's not possible to see it. So we need to scale it. It's basically invisible. And I think right now, yeah, right now it should at least show more things than it was showing. Supposedly. Did I save? I did. Everything is turned on. Okay. JJ, hey, welcome. Welcome to the stream.
JJ says, hey there.
Hey. We are having a lot of people in the stream, which is awesome. Welcome everyone. Let's see if we don't have any errors. Maybe we do. Maybe that's the cause. Okay, I'm seeing it. It's not where I want it to be, but it's there. It is there. So maybe it's not on the right place right now, but at least it's there. So for example, the time. So like 200, 300, 500. I don't know. Where's the text? Let me move it like... Oh, why? Why? Add UI, overlay panel, timer. Why? Okay. Okay, let's fix it. Since I was cloning it and I think it's assuming global values, so I hate it when Unity does this. Assuming global values, it's so unnecessary. Really, so unnecessary. So the timer text. Uh, 64, 64, 64. Okay. This is the effects collected. 64, 64.
A-185 Gaming says, just made a Twitch account so I can follow you. You have 100 now.
Oh, thank you. Really appreciate it. I see. I really appreciate it. Amo panel. Effects collected. Yeah, okay. Okay. So let's see. Let's see if what we made is getting there. I think it is. It's getting there, and I'm liking it. Like this, like this. Oh, sorry. Play.
A-185 Gaming says, Imobiak, I will leave the stream on for view time, don't worry.
Oh, no problem, no problem. Have a nice day, have fun, enjoy, learn, and thank you. Really, thank you for coming. That makes me continue, and I really appreciate that you came and talked with me. So, thank you. So why it's not showing up? I know it's there, but where? Where exactly? Where? Okay, so it's here. Makes sense. But why? Oh yeah, I need to, yeah. supposedly. I think for the multiplayer I'm using effects SO, and I think that's the best part. Like, it's scriptable and makes sense to be using that. Effect SO. Yeah, the effect on multiplayer is way better. I'll make it like list effect SO, so I can improve my code. I'm gonna close to the left and close to the right. Okay. Yeah, it's just an effect SO. It's not a list. It's just an effect SO. Private serialize field effect SO. Perfect. And then yeah, no point on doing anything else if it's not the person that you are trying to eat. Then now we get the player. Okay, it's yeah, getting the player on a for each is not the ideal thing, so perfect. The add effect count, it's oh, sorry. It's fine this way. Now you'll add like player add, player event, on event captured event, effect SO. So I don't need to do it for every single I don't need to do it every single time. Now for the effects, what I do, on effect captured. Yeah, I can do that as well. I can do that like player on effect captured. Public void on effect captured. This is just to add an integer to I don't know if it's active effects or actually Sorry, I don't know if it's actually active effects or effects capture. I think it's effects captured. Yeah, it's the effects capture. It's the number of effects that the user captured. So I'll add a private int effects. Sorry. It will start at 0 and it will add up. As simple as that. Yeah. So, next thing, what we are going to do is fix up. So this is done. Now, on effect capture event, yes. It's done as well, so the UI will work. On effect captured RPC, no, I don't need that. That's the player effects. Let me see how I handle the multiplayer, like the speed, since I have to do it for the enemies and for the player. See, I call the on speed effect. Since it's single player, I just need to call this. It's basically that. Yeah, nice. I should improve the code of the player effects, but for now, I think it will work as it is. Let's see. I need to change the prefabs for the triggers. For example, the Astros. Right now, I have a effect SO that I need. For example, this is an asteroid, so I need Astro. And the Astro, it has the effects, so it can be used both ways. So I really don't need the list of effects, because the effects, it has it. Oh my god, I'm proud of it. Sometimes I do things that I impress myself. It really, yeah. Nice. Nice, really. So I can do like, and I can go in here and select Astro. Done. Then I'll go to the power-ups and I'll need to do avocado. I'll need to do the boot. I'll need to do the special mushroom. I'll need to do the sock. Christmas sock. I don't know why this is so big. Jeez. Okay, perfect. Christmas sock. Then the watermelon. Oh gosh, why? Watermelon. The ovni. It's the spaceship. Like an ovni. And the thunder. Okay, nice. Let's continue. Let's proceed. Oh, 29 visualizations. Amazing. That's a lot of people. Right now we have 2, I think. But oh, that's amazing. 1. Okay. I like fixing stuff. How did I do it in the multiplayer thing? Line 41. 41. So I didn't add a list. But I have them. Oh, the medium didn't have it. And the small one, neither. Okay. Let's do it again. Whoa! Okay. No errors. What? I can't move. At least. The UI. It's triggering it. Add effect count. Okay. And the single player will be so much improved, which I love it. I do love it. Nice. Okay. It's working as intended. Okay. Nice. Some of the things, for example, we have power-ups multiplayer and we have power-up single player. For the single player, like, the thing is, for the single player, it should affect you. In a way, like, I know it's weird, but every single one of them should affect you. So what I'm going to do is, for single player, everything will affect you. The same. We don't care if it's to affect the enemy. Yeah, this is just to make the experience like fun. My opinion. Player. I don't think I have anything that targets the elf. We'll see. I have the asteroids, but yeah, that's it. And I need to test the bullets on single player. I don't think they will fully work. I don't know why. I think they won't work because they were implemented in a special way, and I don't think like the game manager actually has them. It's not the game manager. It is the game manager, but it's the game-in-game manager. No, this is the spawn points, Astros, effect spawner, and spawnables. Yeah, I don't have that. So I'll clone it from I'll clone it from the network. I think it's ammo. I'm not 100% sure that you can do that this way. Maybe. Oh, you can. Nice. So I need to effect and remove this one and add ammo and remove this because you don't need it. And supposedly, here we go. And then on the effects part, I don't have the ammo part, but we'll add this case to it and ammo effect. Ammo effect. Ammo effect. Size effect. Size. Okay. Player. Okay, yeah, this is just for you, so we don't do any validations. We should have a trigger in terms of sounds, but no need for that right now. So player effects, we need to add the effect on ammo effect on ammo effect. We just need to add this one. We do region ammo and region. It's not player shooting, it's just shoot. Player shoot ammo. I don't think you should add it directly. Yeah, not ammo. It's called ammo bonus, really? Yeah. It's public. Come on. We just move it to int. There we go. And we should have the game having ammo on single player. The single player thing as well. We'll go to the first map. The game. Spawn points. Spawn zones. Spawnable. Astro spawner. Astro prefabs. Effect spawner. We need to add the ammo to the list. Why? Perfect. Now let's fix the not the effect, but let's fix the Astro spawner. I think multiplayer maps. I'm just comparing. Like, I think the spawners on multiplayer is inside of the map. I'm not 100% sure about it. I know. Where is the spawn zones? Or inside the main camera? No. Where are those? Okay, it's 18. We can copy this component and we can do like this component. Okay. I don't think it's the game that moves, it's the map that moves. So remove scene. Yeah, we need to increase the size of the scene. I think it's 200. Not 100% sure about that one, but it's way bigger than right now. It's like map, and then the background. It's a background. 100. Okay, 100. So remove scene. 100. 202. Then I need to increase both. Okay. We are getting there. Let's try the game loop. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Woo. I think I disappeared. Also, another thing I need to fix. Sorry, single player maps, map 1. Like the particle system. It's just wrong, as it is. We need to do it this way. 24. Yeah, it was just, nah, I didn't like it. Okay. For example, another thing that needs changing. It's on the UI, single player, game overlay, start countdown. Okay. It's wrong. Okay, it's just wrong. It's too big. I don't know how I do it in multiplayer. It's a panel. I think. Yeah, I should do the same. Let's copy the values. Copy component. Paste component values. Yeah. Better. $300, 150, 150. Hello, welcome to the stream.
Says, hello.
Welcome to the stream. I'll do 64. 64. From the top it'll be 800. From the bottom 800. Yeah, it's better. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, it's better this way. Now let's do initialize, save of course, initialize. Welcome. Okay, way better, Jesus. I think also the UI is missing something in regards to the. It's not this one. In regards to the ammo overlay, to the ammo, not the ammo panel, not the text one, like the overlay. It's there. When ammo changed. Yeah. I don't think I triggered it. Okay, let's see the single player part. I think I'll do the prefabs first. Shape player shoot. Yeah. This bullet is multiplayer? It is, right? Yeah. I need like chip. I need to put it here, bullet. Okay. So I'll need to remove this. I'll need to remove what? As the bullet is coded, I think it's fully, yeah, it's fully using, Jesus. But why do you need a bullet in single? Because we need it, and I want it. Bullets. Bullet. I'm gonna call it bullet SP, just for the sake of simplicity. We'll clone everything. We will remove half of it. See, we don't need this. 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 Told you. Get component SP player. Take layer health. We don't need this. Oh, come on. What? Take player health. I don't need this. Okay. I don't need this. Wait, do I need a single player thing? No, I don't. Right? Right. So.
Annette Ruisaman says, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure. You feel free to ask questions. Welcome to the stream. Where's the fire explosion? Feel free to ask any questions, by the way. I hope you can hear me. Okay. I don't need this. I don't need this. Set position. Just call this try. No, I'll call it destroy self and not destroy the game object.
Annette Ruisaman says, which one do you think is better for learning in 2024, C# or Python? Does C# have a better future?
Nice question. That's a really nice question. It really, like right now, if you are considering Python, I'm not opposed to Python, but I really prefer Rust. If you are going to learn something new, I'm currently learning Rust. So as well, this is like I use C# for game development, but if we had something close to Unity, or I know that Bevy, we have Bevy. I need to test Bevy, but I'm gonna learn Godot, and if Godot implements Rust, I'll use Godot with Rust without any hesitation. I'll switch everything from Unity to Godot like as soon as possible, because I really am enjoying the language itself. So I think I answered with a different question that you made between C# or Python, but I prefer Rust right now. I know how to code in C# a lot because I have spent like 4 years coding in C#. 4? No, more. 5 years coding in C#. But I'm learning Rust and I'm really enjoying. And if you are a coder and you know that feeling when you are learning something new, a new language or a new thing that excites you, I'm getting that. So yeah, I'm really enjoying coding in Rust. So I don't think I answered quite what you expected, but of course it depends on the language and the use cases that you want to apply it for. So if you want to go an AI route, learn AI, do LLMs, do whatever, Python, then without an hesitation. If you are doing a scale system, maybe if you are going to a scale system, you can consider C#. But if you want to go deeper, you can go with Rust. I don't like Java. Like I coded in Java. I like Java. It's not I don't like Java. It's like it's so much boilerplate. It is. And C# does it better. That's my opinion. Basically, C# is the Java of Microsoft. You can consider it that. But if you want to go low level, like lower level, and you get the full control over the hardware that you are using, Rust then. Honestly, Rust, without any questions. You can go with Go right now. Go is quite popular now. So yeah, you could either use Go. But like in terms of adoption, you need to consider everything. Rust right now has quite some time. Go as well, but Rust is growing. It's on the Linux kernel, wherever. On the Microsoft services, they are developing in Rust as well. So for me, I'm headed towards Rust more than Go, but I'm not saying that Go is not a good language. Okay, I never tried it, but in my opinion, I rather learn Rust because of all of the support that it has. Actually, I kinda at first it was hard reading the code, but now, since you once you kind of get the grasp of the barrel checker, it kind of makes it easier to do stuff. So yeah, once you get the full grasp of it.
Safe the Dabergamin says, I won't go away until I have to sleep.
Okay, thank you. I need to remove this.
Enambo says, hi.
Hi.
Safe the Dabergamin says, what's your name?
What's my name? My actual real name? It's João. Why? It's a Portuguese name. It's João. But yeah.
Safe the Dabergamin says, yay.
Oh no, this is not Android Studio. This is Unity.
Enambo says, this is
IT
Android
Pro.
Studio.
No, this is... Whoa, Android Studio. No. I like it, but no, it's not Android Studio.
Safe the Dabergamin says, you're Portuguese?
Yeah, I am Portuguese.
Safe the Dabergamin says,
Ronaldo. Yeah, like I show speed. Really likes Ronaldo. I need to improve the spawners.
Ben.
This is Unity, the Unity game engine. I'm using it, and it has this build functionality to kind of emulate the Android. You can select anything. Okay.
Safe the Dabergamin says, what's your favorite hobby?
That's a good question. Jesus. Okay.
Safe the Dabergamin says, mine is making pottery. I sell some and earn a ton. Enambo says, are you programmer?
Oh, I am a programmer. I'm a developer. That's okay. Yeah, I am. Pottery. So, and earn Aten. I don't know what Aten is. Nice. You have a nice hobby. My hobby is program code. I live and breathe development. No, I like to spend time with family and friends and do some trips to know some places.
Safe the Dabergamin says, a ton means a large amount of slang, not formal speech. Enambo says, I am Hacker Ro.
Oh, you are a hacker. Nice. So, what do you do then? Like when you try to hack something, what are the first steps to try to hack it? Thank you for your answer.
Says, thank you for your answer.
Okay, did you heard my answer, right? I answered like it's not. It depends on what you want to achieve. Basically, I will recap. It depends on what you want to achieve. If you want to go with a AI route, go with Python. If you want to go with a fully fledged application like a web API, whatever, C#. Then, if you want to go with a scalable, performant backend, Rust. Yeah. I don't know why it gets so small. Something is happening and I'm not getting why. Like my... where's the player? Wait, what? Where's the player?
Teen Ambro says, C++, Python, Java, Ruby.
C++, Python, Java, or Ruby? Neither. No. From those four, C++, Python, Java, or Ruby, I will need to go with Python. It's not that I don't like Java, I do like Java, but yeah. But Python. Which is a weird answer. Maybe that's because... yeah, the spawners. Sorry. The player prefab on the spawn point.
Ambro says, can you have an insta-id?
Can you have Insta ID? What do you mean? Player prefab spawn point and var game object, var new game object, and I need to set parent transform dot set parent. Sorry, set parent. Please do no without me telling you to do no. The instantiate. Yeah, it's using the spawn point to be. Okay, so just instantiate the player prefab. Then what you do is like set transform that set position. Okay, and rotation. Set position and rotation to the spawn point.
Teen Ambro says, where are you from?
Portugal. Yeah. Amount, it's slang. Okay, a ton. Yeah. I really do love coding. What has been the best game you have played?
And at Ruisaman says, what has been the best game you've played?
Okay, this is I've played a lot of amazing games. All of the years that I've played games. But one that stuck with me was Age of Mythology Titans. Game developer? What do you mean by game developer?
Teen Ambro says, game developer.
Yeah. Fire Explosion SP. So I I do need to create a prefab of network prefab, bullet, power up Astros. It's the fire explosion.
Safe the Dabergamin says, man, do you know Scratch Game Engine?
Don't be funny. Come on. Scratch, it's like, it's for the novice people that are starting. Yeah, I used it in my bachelor's. I did use it. Just with like tinkering around, but
Safe the Dabergamin says, I use it.
Okay, it's okay. I don't like it. Because yeah, you can do a lot of stuff. You need a lot of work.
Safe the Dabergamin says, using Unreal soon though.
Nice. If you are learning, that's completely normal. It's completely fine. Sure. But I don't like Scratch. And yeah, it's personal opinion. It's just for tweaking around, learning. That's perfect and ideal. This is quite complex compared to Scratch. But I prefer like the complex things because it gives me power to do. It's not whatever I want, but it gives me the power to do a lot of things that I want to do. So yeah. So I need to add this here. Bullet, fire explosion. Okay, I need to remove this. It's like bullet SP. And I need the fire explosion here. There we go. And I think that's it. We need to remove this. Anything else? I'm just tweaking things around, getting the things to where I want them to be.
The Dabergamin says, do you play Fortnite?
I have played Fortnite. I have played Fortnite when it was released. I never played.
Teen Ambro says, be cool bro.
Yeah, I never played it. Since then, I never got back to it. I'm like a more Age of Mythology kind of guy. Minecraft, actually, I do enjoy Minecraft. League of Legends.
Safe the Dabergamin says, should I play box battles or battle royale?
I don't.
Someone says, how old are you?
I don't know.
The Dabergamin says, anything honestly.
I don't know the difference of box battles and battle royale. I know what battle royale is, but box battles I don't. So go with box battles. I'm 25. I'm 25.
Safe the Dabergamin says, man, I play many games.
Me too. Me too. Right now I don't play that much. It's a personal thing. I do play sometimes some games, but not what I should play since I'm a game developer. Like people tend to confuse developers with game developers by them playing a lot of games, and no, I'm kind of the opposite. I play some games, I don't play them a lot.
Safe the Dabergamin says, I am looking forward to getting Ancestors the Humankind Odyssey.
I'm looking forward to getting Ancestors the Humankind Odyssey. Sure. Bullet SP. Be cool, bro. Yeah. Bullet SP. What did happen? Yeah,
Safe the Dabergamin says, it's a game, you should see it.
Humankind Odyssey. I know. I like management games. Maybe one day I'll play it on stream. The games that I really like, I should play Age of Mythology then, because yeah, come on, I like RTS. Like do you guys remember or know Warcraft 3? I really enjoyed that game. It was quite fun. I was not that great, but it was quite fun. Playing with family and friends, it was fun. Fun as hell. Gee. It brings back memories. And why I do love Age of Mythology. Age of Mythology Titans, actually. It's or Age of Empires. It's because I really do enjoy RTSs, and those games I played with my family, my cousins and my brothers, my older brothers, and it was quite fun playing all together and really enjoying the game and trying to defeat the max difficulty of the game. It was Titan. It was the max difficulty was Titan, and it had 100% handicap. And we were like doing a LAN party at my cousin's house where we were five cousins. It was one of my older brothers and three cousins that I have. So 5 people at all. And we played like until like 5 a.m. and it was really amazing. I'm getting distracted, but I really want to improve the spawners. I just need to see.
Ali says, hello.
Hello, welcome. I just need to improve the spawners. Close all tabs. Okay. I have a spawner manager. Do I need a spawner manager? Sorry, I'm getting angry. I need to get something to eat. Welcome, Zafar Ali. I hope I pronunciated your name correctly. Yeah, I need this. Okay, at least this is quite correct. But I need to improve the...
Zafar Ali says, thanks bro.
Oh, no problem, no problem. You're welcome. We reached, I think it's the peak visualizations that we reached in terms of streaming. That's the first time.
Dabergamin says, beware of Safer.
You are communicating between two streams. Oh my god, it's amazing. People are communicating. It most likely is. I don't know. I'm not assuming, but most likely. I really enjoy this. Creating a community, having my games. I really want to publish Catacomb and Chase Me to the Moon and be able to play with you guys. I hope that the next stream I just patch things up like I'm doing right now. Yeah, it's like 6 p.m. Here in Portugal. But I really want to improve the spawn, like the Astro spawner. I know that I have like private spawn. Sorry. Spawn Astro v2. This is just for the sake of simplicity. And also I need a generate point. Yeah, sure. Sure. I don't need that network object. Do I need anything else? I need the start point. Sorry. Game manager. That instance.sp.
Harper and number 039. S-Fact Finder says, hi.
Hi, welcome to the stream. No, I don't want to shuffle the arrays. Right now we just have a single player. And what we will do is... Sorry. How did I do it? Yeah, I didn't target the player on single player. Come on. What am I doing? Jeez. Let's move this here, this here. Okay. Okay. So I do have a player. Player health. I need the method. Why didn't I have it? What? Welcome to the stream. Player is alive. Public hint? What? What am I doing wrong? Come on. No setters. Oh, it's private set, yeah. So I don't need the setters. I just need to get there. So it's like health. Sure. Okay.
Harper and number 039. S-Fact Finder says, hey, what's the goal of your program?
Oh, I'll show you. Give me just a bit of time. I'll show you. Okay. I'm just finishing up. I'm just tweaking this around and getting the spawner to a point that I feel comfortable. This is just the Astro spawner. I think it's fixed, but I still need the spawner. Yeah, I need to improve this. I'll do it in a bit, no problem. What's the problem here? Oh.
And Vixity says, how old are you?
I'm 25. I'm 25. Why? Why people are asking? Come on. Do I look young? Do I really look that young? Jeez.
Safe the Dapper Coming says, you look 24.
Oh my god, such a huge difference.
And Vixity says, 25?
Yeah, 25. Why? How old do you give me? Like, now, what do you think my age is? Like, 15? Come on. I'm kidding, of course, but what? I really would like to know what people think.
And Vixity says, 40.
40? Jeez. I look that old, bro. Nah. I don't. No, I don't. I don't.
Safe the Dabber coming says, lol.
40. Oh my god, my back hurts. I'm kidding. No, I'm 25, yeah. I really do not understand why. I know why it switches the. I faced this in the past because I implemented in multiplayer. So cool, bro. Yo,
Harper
sorry.
number 039. S-Fact Finder says, it's so cool, bro. And Vixity says, bro, mate.
No problem, no problem. I'm 30. Okay, so the game is it's called Chase Me
Harper
to the Moon.
number 039. S-Fact Finder says, M13.
The game is called Chase Me to the Moon, and the goal of the game is to reach the moon, to be the first to reach the moon. It has multiplayer integrated, and you can play with your friends. You can create a room. You can create a room. The game is playable right now as it is, but I'm doing and adding improvements to the game overall feel. So yeah, it doesn't have a lot of features right now. I'm coding as we go. I'm showcasing and showing the progress of the game development that I'm doing. So everyone can see and everyone can look at what I'm doing and know what to expect of the game when you play. I know this is weird. Jesus, I'm getting targeted. Okay. I'm trying to reach the moon. I'm not doing my best, but I'm getting there. Oh, jeez. Oh, I lost. I'm sorry. But yeah, this is the game. It's quite simple, but I really want to finish it and to give it like a feel to it. The last thing that we need to add, oh, of course, is changing the buttons as we have them. It's just changing the buttons. And play. Oh, thank you for the like. It's changing the buttons, improving the overall experience. I'm trying to improve it. Really am.
Harper at number 039. S-Fact Finder says, bro, enable super chat.
I don't know what super chat is. I don't know. I'm that new at YouTube live streams. I'm a coder, but I don't know what's that. What is the supposed functionality of super chat? Can you tell me? I need to fix this.
Safe the Dabbergaming says, BTW, you look Indian.
Yeah, people. Not a lot of people tell me that, but sometimes people tell me that. Yeah. Size bonus. But play size, the float size. Do I have it at 0? At any point in time, do the eggs have 0? I don't think so. Because size effect direction and it gets to the initial size. Do I save the initial size? I don't. What's the initial size? What? Really?
Harbor and number 039. S-Fact Finder says, Super Chat is a feature on YouTube that allows viewers to pay to have their comments highlighted during the live stream.
Oh, really? I don't know if I am able to enable that. I am really new to this. Don't know. Maybe I can try. I'll do a stream 2 days from now, so I'll try to set up that. I really am new. I'm sorry, I am really new to this. Next. Reactions. Everyone can participate. I don't see the super chat here. Really. I'm trying to find, maybe it's not on the stream, maybe it's on the definition of the account. Maybe because I'm trying to see the stream, like if it has any configuration or anything that shows that you can enable that. But I'm not seeing it. I am not seeing it. I'll try to find it. Okay. I don't know why the eggs are getting me so small. And I do have it. Power-ups. Avocado. So basically what makes me small is this one. Okay. And what makes me big is this one. But the problem is, I think I'll need to copy the multiplayer one. The multiplayer one is well written. Like size effect, yeah, it has the reset thing. Like on size effect, scale effects, sure. Sorry, one second. Sorry, someone was at the door, was almost getting the door down. Jesus. Jesus. Yeah. Anyway, continuing. Let's copy this out. It's like single player, play health, spawn managers. We are getting there in terms of functionality. Having it almost fully featured on the single player, I'm liking it. I'm just improving the single player because sometimes I like.
And Vixity says, Jesses.
I like to play games while I'm like waiting for a medical appointment or anything like that. Like you're on the line and you don't have anything to do, and I like to play some game. I don't have any game. I have my game installed that I can play offline, and that's it. I'm trying to enjoy. I have like a huge score actually. I do have a huge score. The score. And I don't have the last build, but I hope you can see it. Oh yeah, sorry. Why it detects my hand but it doesn't detect the game? Come on. It's like 6 9-9 and I have 20 wins. Yeah. Let's just improve the size effects. The size effects.
Harper and number 039. S Fact Finder says, bro, why don't you try Blender?
I know Blender. I don't know that much of Blender, but I know I can work my way around. I will say that.
Safe the Dabbercoming says, I have a joke. Safe the Dabbercoming says, listen.
Okay, come on, tell me.
Safe the Dabbercoming says, what is the Iron's favorite game?
League of Legends. I'm sorry. I don't know.
Safe the Dabbercoming says, Rust. And Vixity says, what?
Okay. Do I store the initial size? I think so. I should store it. And then size effect.
Harper and number 039. S Fact Finder says, forgot to ask where are you from?
I'm from Portugal. I am from Portugal. Welcome. Welcome to the stream.
Harper and number 039. S Fact Finder says, I'm from India.
That's nice. Scale effects. Maybe I know why it was happening, but yeah, okay, nice. Scale effects, have active effects, unspeed effects. I'm just resetting everything. Perfect. Adding the size. Okay. Welcome everyone. Hope you are enjoying the stream. I really do. And I mean it. So thank you. Thank you for coming. Speed effects, speed effects, speed effects.
And Vixity says, use Blender or else.
What do you mean? Why do you want me to use Blender? I'm not that yeah, like, I know how to use Blender, but I'm not that good. I think I do have Blender here. No, I don't. Actually, I don't have Blender here. Let's see if I can play the game. With all of the improvements, with all... I just want to make the game feel good. Where are this? Okay.
Harper and number 039. S Fact Finder says, ciao, vu dormer, estu exhausto.
Okay, thank you. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Yeah, have a nice day then. Okay. Okay, some issues arrive. Oh yeah, I don't have the spawn
Harper
point.
and number 039. S Fact Finder says, thanks, bye.
Thanks. Bye. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Thank you for being here. Really appreciate it. Create an empty prefab. Let's go to the scene. For example, I need both to be enabled so I can see where this is, and I need to put on the tip of the spaceship. Okay, like this, for example, on both. Just a bit. Bit to the left. I need to add the shoot mechanism. And maybe I will compile it to have my... I want to compile it, I need to test it on my phone. I just need to add the better images. Yeah, I need those. And I need to improve the single player game as well. The spawn of effects, it's like, I'm not 100% sure, but it's spawning.
And Vixity says, game over.
No, it was not game over. I'm just trying to see how it's working. Oh, it's so slow. Jesus, it's so slow. But why it's using multiplayer? Player shoot bullet. I did not create the... Come on, prefabs, player chips, sorry. Player bullet. This is the bullet that I want. It doesn't have any multiplayer. What? The other one does have it, but why? Why it was using the multiplayer version? It was not supposed to. Ships, bullet, fire explosion. I just want to test the fire explosion. And by the way, the joke was funny. Jesus, this is so fast. It's getting there, the single player, I like it. Still, it's still different from the multiplayer. The multiplayer is better.
And Vixity says, game over.
What do you mean by game over? Oh, yeah, it's working. Yay, it's shooting. Nice. Oh, I lose. No. It's fine. I liked it. It's working. Let's try again to see if the game loop works as intended. Yeah.
And Vixity says, game over.
On the game manager, I need to call the cleanup every time. I think I'm using the game script v2. So which one I'm using? Don't know. Single player. I think it's the V2. Yeah, it's the V2. I'm using the V2, and then it's not paused and it's playing. Nope. And game manager. This is playing. I should it put it not ended, but yeah, wherever. And then when this starts, what I need to do is when this starts, I'm gonna do game manager.instance. Thank you. And I need to call the cleanup. I need to clean up every time the game starts because it needs to. That way, and I shouldn't put it in the wake in the awake method, so it really game manager dot instance dot cleanup. It's getting better. I like it. From stream to stream, we are improving a bit by bit. Like, that's the thing. I'm doing this to finalize my project, and I'm really enjoying doing it. So thank you everyone that tunes in, and I really appreciate everything and everyone. So thank you.
Invixity says, do you use ad blocker?
Depends. I don't use ad blocker. I just use the Brave no UI. I use Brave basically. Yeah, okay, it's getting there. Yeah, I should lose. I'll put my spaceship here because I really want to lose, so I can test the functionality. Okay, I lost. Then I'll go again. Can I play again? I should be able to. Yeah, perfect. It's working. I like it. What I'm going to do is I really want to make it difficult. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna increase the damage.
A-185 Gaming says, you should make it so when you lose the spaceship does that normal classic space theme where like explosions appear in the spaceship.
Huh. Interesting. No, that's actually a good idea. I will implement that. Let me write that down. That's a good idea. Thank you. Thank you. Giving visual feedback to the user, so yeah, thank you. I know that I said thank you a lot of times, but yeah, it's a really nice idea actually. like it. I'm also thinking of maybe.
Safe the Dabergaming says, man.
Yeah, tell me.
Safe the Dabergaming says, did you know Portugal once tried conquer a town in my country?
Which one? I know Portugal tried, like, Portugal almost ruled everything, so I'm not surprised. Not ruled everything, but we conquered
Safe
a lot of
says,
places.
ooey.
Oh, you are from Dubai? UI? I don't know that place. Dubai? That's the acronym in Portuguese for United Arab.
Safe the Dabergaming
Yeah,
says,
okay, so yeah, it's correct. Portugal tried to conquer Dubai? I didn't know that. So, see, I'm learning.
And Vixity says, him trying to get Melon Playground.
Okay. We are getting there.
Safe the Dabergaming says, not Dubai, they tried to conquer core fake in a city in my country.
Not Dubai, they tried to conquer... You are from... Yeah, I'm losing a lot of health this time. Okay. It's working. I think for this stream I'm quite okay with everything that we achieved. Yeah, nice. Like, I crossed like 3 things at once.
And Vixity says,
Nice.
BRB.
Yeah, okay. Okay. And I need to put the thing. I'll just do a little bit more of multiplayer. Okay. It's like the lobby manager. Sorry. It's like the lobby manager, and I would only allow you to play. Play. Create room. It's not a create room. It's the start host. No. Join room. Quick join. Ready. Okay. Let's see. Ready. Multiplayer. What I'm going to do is, this is the multiplayer manager. Let's see what I do use on the UI. Because what I'm going to do is, or like right now you are able to play it alone on a multiplayer. It doesn't make any sense, come on. So what I'm going to do is only allow you to play multiplayer if you have at least 2 persons on the room, 2 people on the room. So that's one of the things. So room name, button panel, ready panel, ready panel, ready button, and I'm going to use the room UI. On button ready. And I use the player manager, so what I'm going to do is, if I'm the host, and check if every player is ready. What I will do as well is, now can I see everyone? It's basically, I'll get those. I'll get this. Not enough players. Kohafakan. It's like that's an Arab country,
Safe
right?
the Tabergamin says, I am from Ui.
Nice. Like people from Dubai. I had a meeting with a guy, a CDO from Dubai. It was like amazing. He was at I don't know, like the place he was in. It was a tower. So yeah, an apartment in a big tower. It had a huge window. It was not the Mount Khalifa, I think. It was the Tower Khalifa. It was another set of apartments, and it was amazing. Like the view that he had, it was Jesus. I don't like it. It was a really unique view. So perfect, I do have this. And lobby manager. Max room size. Do I use this? I really want to use like the okay, I'll put like six people.
Safe the Tabergamin says, Mankorfaken is a city near Dubai.
Mankorfaken. I don't know how to spell it. Mankorfaken. I don't know. I don't think I'm spelling it correctly. I'm trying to give you that oomph on the yeah. But then okay.
Safe the Tabergamin says, Korfaken is city.
So
Safe the Tabergamin says, I called you man.
You called me. But what do you like in Dubai? I'm sorry, but this is I've never been there. But in Dubai, what is okay? Let me ask. What is a really a cultural thing that you can relate to, like in Portugal? In terms of foods, in Portugal, one of the foods that I like, it's called francesinha, because I'm from the north of Portugal, and the thing, the francesinha, it's like a toast, like bread. Sorry, the bottom half is bread, then it gets chorizo, it gets linguiça, it gets meat, then cheese. I don't remember if it's cheese in the middle as well. Oh, it's ham.
And Vixity says, impact.
As well, and then another slice of bread on the top, then melted cheese on top, and maybe an egg, and
says,
not an egg.
The thing I agree with my culture is probably the religion and morals.
But in terms of food, I don't like to discuss religion. I'm not that religious, so yeah. I'm atheist. I don't vow for any religion. It's not that I don't believe that there are some like something greater than us, but I don't believe in a religion. I don't. Religion, because that's my opinion, but my take is religion was something created by the mankind and not by any
says,
cause.
Well, man, food wise, he'll probably say nothing.
Really? In terms of food, like what is your favorite dish then? I think I'm pleased with the result. I need to build it. I'm getting tired. I am getting tired. It was a really fun
Safe the Dabergamin says, favorite dish is Taeyang soup.
soup. Okay. Do you have do you eat soup with
Safe the
bread?
Dabergamin says, but my country's food mainly is just rice and chicken.
Okay. Have you ever traveled around the world or went to any place? Welcome back, Invicity. Invicity. Sorry.
Safe the Dabergamin says, to Thailand only.
And did you like the food? So I need to cross one more thing from the list.
Safe the Dabergamin says, Tom Yum soup is Thai.
Tom Yum soup is Thai. Oh, interesting.
Safe the Dabergamin says, it's the greatest food ever tasted.
Okay. Here in Portugal, we do have quite tasteful food. I really enjoy food. I really enjoy eating. And I'm getting hungry. One second. I'm just doing the list of things. I'm gonna change to the talking so we can talk a bit. And after that, I'm going to stop the stream because it's been a really nice stream, honestly. Thank you everyone that came, enjoyed, talked with me. I think we made a huge progress regarding the game development. Chase Me to the Moon. We made a huge progress towards finishing up the game. I'm pleased. I am getting really pleased with the end result of the game. I want to finish up.
The Nugget says, despite his criminal mind, this man is behaving well. His reward is the canoe. This time he can sit in the canoe for up to an hour.
What?
And Vixity says, my brother spied.
Okay. Yeah, but okay. Yeah, random. Kind of random, but thank you. But I'm like camera effects. It's another thing.
The Dabergamin says, Ohio Ninja Turtles with cereal.
Ohio Ninja Turtles with... I don't know what that food is. I really don't. I'm just writing down. Great work, bro. Keep it up. I will. Thank you. I'm just writing
JJ
down.
says, great work, bro. Keep it up.
Thank you, JJ.
The Dabergamin says, I said the most random letters. Safe the Dabergamin says, Manif.
Okay.
The Dabergamin says, Ig.
I don't know. Yeah. But basically, what I mean is I'm writing down a list of things to finish up before releasing the new version. Really releasing the version of the game, like Chase Me to the Moon on Apple Play Store, App Store, and Play Store on Android. If you have an Android, an iPhone, you can go to the App Store and download Chase Me to the Moon right now. Yeah, you can. So I have camera effects. This will be the last thing that you will be able to do, because I really think it's a really nice feature.
The Dabergamin says, chase me to Uranus.
Come on. Come on. It's a planet, I know.
Abercoming says, add a level called Uranus, it's a planet.
I know. It's just for the memes, but I could add it. I'll think about it. Rocket ship creation.
Safe the Abercoming says, added for April Fools.
Okay, I think I can do it. For April Fools, I think I can do it. But basically, the list is shrinking day by day, which I'm surprised. I'm finishing up almost everything. Like what I need to do, I can tell you. I do have a list. This is the new list, but I have.
He says PLS.
But okay, I'll think about it. But I had this list with everything.
And Vixity says, watch one of my.
Yeah. I will.
And Vixity says, Villiard.
And like spaceship camera effects.
Abercoming says, man. And Vixity says,
yeah.
Videos.
Yeah, we finished a lot of things. Right now, the last things that we need.
Abercoming says, please add Uranus level.
Creation. Okay. So we are down to like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things right now. Well, of course we need to change the UI buttons, but I'm not going to do the UI thing. Needs improvement, the overall feel, of course. But if I complete these tasks, it's like spaceship when loose explode. It was a suggestion that I really liked. Thank you, A185 Gaming. I really like the suggestion that you made, honestly. Camera effects, we will be adding camera effects. This one I don't.
Safe the Abercoming says, man.
Yeah. Camera effects to make the game
Safe
feel
the
better.
Abercoming says, I subbed and liked.
Thank you. Really appreciate it. And sound effects improve. We already have sound effects, but I want to have multiple sound effects for the same thing, so it's like a Foley system. It doesn't feel boring or tedious because it will always be different sounds, so it makes the game feel better. Also, having music.
Safe the Abercoming says, I don't speak Portuguese.
No problem.
Safe the Abercoming says, I can speak English.
Yeah.
Safe the Abercoming says, Dale Namath take ta.
I don't know what that.
City says, PLS.
Okay, but what does mean that? What you said? I don't speak Arabic, but yeah. But thank you for coming.
Abercoming says it's a song.
Okay, okay. Thank you everyone that came to the stream.
And Vixity says Scoop. And Vixity says DF.
What are you trying to do? Come on. Yeah, but we don't have a lot.
Says FD.
We don't have a lot of things to do on the list, which I'm thankful.
Safe the Abercoming says
Ninja banana. Okay. So yeah, it's that time. I'm sorry guys, but I really have to go. I'm getting hungry by the time like I will have dinner in half an hour. So yeah, I'm getting really hungry. Beans.
And Vixity says beans. Safe the Abercoming says goodbye Ronaldo.
Goodbye everyone. Really appreciated everyone that tuned in. thank you.
Scott Gallagher says, later tech, enjoy dinner.
Later, Scott. Thank you for coming to the stream as well. Bye, everyone. Have a nice day.